25 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power s is equal to 20. What is the value of s? Welcome to my class. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this nice equation. 25 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power s is equal to 20. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Solution. The original equation is giving us 25 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power x is equal to 20. Then 25 raised to power x is the same thing as 5 square raised to power x minus 5 raised to power x is equal to 20. A raised to power n raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n m. Then we make use of this identity. We have 5 raised to power s square minus 5 raised to power s is equal to 20. Let 5 raised to power s is equal to y square minus y is equal to 20. Y square minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved by using quadratic general formula. In our quadratic general formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Our a from this equation is 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 20. Now, y is equal to minus into minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 20 over 2 multiplied by 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, this is 1, plus, that is minus 4 times 1 times 20, that is plus 80. Over 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. Y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 81 over 2. Then this is equal to y is equal to what? 1 plus or minus square root of 81, that is 9 over 2. Y is equal to 1 plus 9 over 2, or y is equal to 1 minus 9 over 2. From here, y is equal to 10 over 2, which is equal to what? 5. Also from here, y is equal to 1 minus 9, that is minus 8 over 2, which is equal to what? Minus 4. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 5 and minus 4. But record that 5 raised to power s is equal to what? Y. 5 raised to power s is equal to minus 4, or 5 raised to power s is equal to 5. From here, 5 raised to power s is equal to minus 4. This is less than 0. We reject this because 5 raised to power s cannot take the negative. Then we reject it. Then the true solution we have is 5 raised to power s is equal to 5. Now we have 5 raised to power s is equal to 5. And this is the same thing as 5 raised to power 1. They have the same base. This one go x is equal to 1. That is our final answer. If you have enjoyed the class, please, that is our final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Check. We have the given equation asks 25 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power s is equal to 20. At s is equal to 1, 25 raised to power 1 minus 5 raised to power 1 must be equal to 20. Now, 25 raised to power 1, this is 25 minus 5. 5 raised to power 1 is 5, must be equal to 20. 25 minus 5, this is 20, is equal to 20, which satisfy the given equation at s is equal to 1. If you have enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.